welcome back to Bihar Geek. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is longest increasing subsequence. Okay, so this problem I am going to solve using the concept of DP only. Okay, and here the problem statement says that we have given an array. Okay, and we have to return a subsequence in an incremental order. Like if we are going from like 10, then we have to pick next. If we're seeing that there is a 2, so we are not able to pick that, there is a decrement. Okay, next if we are moving to 9, and after 9 if we are picking 5, again there is a decrement only. Now if you are moving 2, and after that there is a 3, and after that 101. So this is the largest increment subsequence, so that's why the length is here 4. So on, if we are moving for this case, again we are returning the same concept which we are using here. And if we are using this concept, there is a value exactly equal to that. That's why it's returning 1. So we have to put this condition also, that if the value is exactly same in every case, so in that scenario we will just simply return 1. Fine. So let's get started. So first I'm putting the base condition here. Okay. So if nums dot length length is exactly equal to 0, in that case we just return the 0 from here. Otherwise we will store basically inside dp. So we need a dp first, and equal to new end, then we'll take nums dot gh. Okay, so here we will store the length of the nums. uh, then we will keep that of 0 here. If it is, so we will just keep the length 1. Okay, and in the very starting we just take 1 gth length, that will equal to 1. Okay, and then we will start the loop to iterate over the array. So int I equal to 1 and I is given nums dot len gth length I plus plus. Okay, and inside this dp I will keep it equal to 1 as the minimum length of ending, like from the I to the 1, that will be itself only, so we just giving that as a maximum length as 1 only. Okay, now we need one more loop here for all the previous elements. Okay, we have to check it. So I'm keeping int j equal to 0 from until the I. Okay, and then j plus plus. Okay, and after this we have to put a condition like if, where we will basically current value can be extend the subsequence ending with the num whatever the value we are currently. Okay, so we'll put the condition like nums I, and that will if it is like greater than the nums of j. So in that case, we'll keep that, update the DPI. DPI will be equal to math dot max, whatever the largest number, we will keep it inside that DPI, or battery is low. Okay, so DPI and the DPJ plus 1. Fine. If it is happening, whatever the largest, we'll keep it. Now after this if condition and this, when you're coming out, so here we will have a max length, so we will update the max length, the max, and inside this max length Here we will keep the value of dp, whatever the largest we'll keep it. Okay, and after this we just simply return it from here. IDU return. Okay, and we will return the max level. Fine, let me run this. Cannot find the symbol. What symbol? Re- Fine. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit this. Fine, it's got submitted also. So here, if we talk about the complexity, if we talk about the time complexity, that is n square. Okay, O of n square. Because here for each I we are taking another loop for the j where we were checking all the previous values. Okay, and if we talk about the space complexity here, that will be O of n only. Okay, for the dp we are storing all the values. Okay, you see that. So that's it for the today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.